Backlog refinement, where half the room is half asleep and the other half pretends they're actually listening. And yet, it's one of the most important things you'll do if you actually want to deliver anything useful. Now, here's the problem. Most refinements turn into estimation bingo. Everyone's arguing whether it's a 3 or a 5. Meanwhile, nobody's asking the real question. Do we even need this thing? A good refinement isn't about sizing. It's about shaping, breaking big, vague blobs of work into small, testable slices that a team can actually build. If you can't explain it without a 15-minute rant, it's probably not ready. Here are 4 ways to improve your team's backlog refinement. Number 1, focus on clarity, not numbers. If the story reads like a riddle, fix that first. The developers shouldn't need a decoder to know what you're talking about. Number 2, bring in the right voices. Refinement isn't for the product owner to monologue. Get the team talking and ask what's unclear, what's risky, and what's missing. Number 3, cut ruthlessly. If it's not going to matter in the next sprint or 2, park it. Stop dragging 6-month dead weight around in your backlog. And finally, timebox it. A never-ending refinement is just another meeting nobody enjoys. Short, sharp, and focused. That's where the magic happens, just like this video. So if your refinements feel like rubbing your eyes with sandpaper, try this. Less estimation, more shaping, slicing, dicing, and cutting the waste. Your backlog will get healthier, your teams get faster, and you might even start looking forward to refinement. Well, maybe. And if you like this video, there'll be another one around there that you might enjoy also. See you next time.